So you might recall earlier on in the year when Deus Ex Machina partnered with the Mini Bulldog racing team in Germany to do some graphics on their race car. Well, they've partnered with Mini again to create quite the incredible set of concept cars. And we're going to focus on the F66 JCW variant because this thing, I want this car. Maybe without the graphics, it's a little over the top for me, but the colors and the way it looks, the wheel arches and everything, it's just a really cool looking car. I mean, everything is done so well. I love that rear wing. I'd love to have that rear wing on my car. The exhaust looks really cool. The overall aesthetic is very race car looking, and you know I've worked with the race team in the past, so you know that I love how those look. And this just looks like a really cool retro-inspired rally car. I wonder if I can get that light pod for my car. I'm not sure what T51 means, but the graphics just look really cool. It has this really neat vibe to it. And I think they've done a really good job of creating this car. The wide wheels, the wide arches, it's just a neat design. And overall, I think it's incredible. I like the new front grille on this car. The retro mirrors are a little strange to me. I happen to like the regular mirrors, but they work for what they're trying to get out of this vehicle. And overall, great composition, really interesting choices on the graphics, interesting choices on everything, really. Those mirrors, like I said, those are just some strange looking mirrors. And they're going to show you those in great detail. Those look like they're made. Now, what does this say? 12th RAC British Grand Prix, 18th of July 1959. Wow. So, Jack Brabham. Okay. So this harkens back to some of the earlier racing when Mini first started racing in competition. International Cup champion Cooper Climax. Interesting. So, we're adding some other graphics to the outsides of the car. I mean, again, that wing, wow, that just looks really freaking cool. I mean, who wouldn't want that on their JCW? I think we might have to get that wing. How can we make that happen? That's pretty cool. That is really cool. Almost kind of like a ducktail in a way. Those wheels are really neat. Now, they're definitely wider, obviously wider than stock, but those are just really cool. It reminds me, the whole car reminds me of the TC cars that Mini JCW team used. I mean, the overall look is just really cool. Interesting grille. That's just riveted onto the bonnet. The headlights are a little strange to me, so those are definitely not functional daily use type of headlights, obviously. But it's just neat to see what they can do with this car. And I love the wide wheel arches. I wonder if this might give us an idea of what the GP4 is going to look like, because Mini has said that they are probably going to do a fourth GP, so why not? And this just looks freaking awesome. I mean, really freaking cool. Overall, I am very impressed with what they did here. I'd like to see some of this stuff trickle down to the newer cars. And by newer cars, I mean the cars that are on the lot. I would love to see this actually make it to production. I know it won't because I know this is a concept car, but I mean, look at that freaking interior. Holy smoke. That handbrake, the toggle switches, the metal, it looks really good. I mean, it is just such a cool looking car. I mean, the overall details are it just makes this thing stand out. It is incredible. And the interior of the car is already very minimalist, so this looking even more minimalist is just crazy. I mean, really well done here. And the driver's seat, the steering wheel, it has the paddle shifters in there, mechanical looking, everything in there. Wow. I mean, really well done here. Very impressed. Like I said, I want to see some of this stuff trickle down to the new cars, to the production cars, but I don't know if that's actually ever going to happen. But it's nice to see what Mini could do when they get a little creative, and they've gotten very creative with this car. Just quite an impressive looking vehicle. My compliments to them. I'd love to see what else they can create when it comes to concept cars, because they really nailed it with this look. I mean, it just looks really cool. So I hope this really reminds us what the GP, or gives us an idea of what the GP is going to look like when it's eventually built. But thanks for watching. If you like what you see on the channel, check out more content at the end of this video. I'm going to finish watching the rest of the details on this car, and check out the next video I'm going to post on my views on the other car. This car is called the Machina. The other one is called the Skeg. So, should be interesting. I don't know if I'm going to actually learn anything about why it's called that, but we will see. I'll catch you all in the next video.